Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back in our today's maths class. Students, in today's class we are going to start with exercise 1B and the topics are comparing numbers, ascending order, descending order and forming the numbers. Students, we have already discussed these topics in our first lecture, but today we are going to do with bigger digits, okay, or bigger numbers. Understood? But let me explain you once again what is comparing numbers, what is ascending order, what is descending order and how to form the numbers. Okay, so let's take one example for comparing numbers. I am writing here one example, that is 1394 and another number is 9864. Understood? Now students, in this number place value of 4 is ones, it is tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, now which number is there at thousands place? 1. Okay, now coming to next number, place value of 4 is ones, 6 is tens, 8 is hundreds and 9 is thousands. So both the numbers are of thousands. So we will compare the number at thousands place. Here it is 1 and here it is 9. So students, which number is bigger? 9. So we will open the mouth like this in front of 9. Understood? And how we will read this? 1394 is smaller than 9864. Understood? Now coming to ascending order. So students, what is an ascending order? Yes, very good. Ascending order means to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Okay. Then comes descending order. Students, what is descending order? Yes, in descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number. And then comes forming the numbers. Okay, now I will explain you how to form numbers using digits. Say suppose I am writing here 4 digits, that is 8, 3, 0, 4. Now if I want to form smallest 4 digit number, because I am using here 4 digits. So smallest 4 digit number. How I will form? Yes, in ascending order. So students, if I want to arrange these digits in ascending order, I will arrange them from smallest to biggest. So students, which is the smallest digit? Yes, 0. But a number doesn't start with a 0. So which number comes after 0? Yes, 3. So first of all we will write 3 and then we will write 0. Understood? A number doesn't begins with 0, so we will not take 0 first. So we will take the immediate smallest number after 0. Here it is 3. So I have written here 3 and then 0. Okay, then which number will come? 4. And last 8. So students, which number we have formed? 3048. Now I want to form largest 4 digit number. So students, if I want to form the largest or biggest number using the given digits, how I will arrange it? Yes, I will arrange them in descending order. So students, descending order means from biggest to the smallest. So which number is bigger? 8. Then 4, then 3 and then 0. So students, which number is formed? 8430. So understood all of you how to form numbers using digits? Okay, are you all ready?
Students, let's begin with exercise 1B. Okay. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with greater than or smaller than sign. Okay. So students, our number A is 98,998 and another number is 9,80,000. 9,80,000 and this is 98,998. So students, if we want to compare two numbers, we will count the digits and also we will check the place values. See, this number is 98,998 and this number is 9,80,000. So student, this number is of lakhs and this is of 10 lakhs. So it's but obvious that this number is bigger than this number. So जो नंबर बड़ा होगा उनके सामने हम ये साइन का माउथ ओपन करेंगे. ओके. So how we will read this? 98,998 is smaller than. ये साइन किसकी है? Smaller than. So how we will read? 98,998 is smaller than 9,80,000. Understood? Okay. Next number B. पहले हम सिर्फ नंबर लिख लेते हैं फिर देखेंगे. So that is 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 6, 7, 5. And another number is 4, 7, 9, 8, 2, 1, 3, 4. So first of all we will make groups. Okay. 1, 2 and 3, that is ones, tens and hundreds. So here we will put comma. This is 1,000 and 10,000s. So 1 comma over here. Lakh and 10 lakh. So 1 comma over here. So students, the number formed is 5 crore 43 lakhs 12,675. Okay. And this number, first of all we will make groups. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma we will put here. Thousands and 10,000s. So 1 comma here. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. 1 comma over here. And here is 4. Understood? So students, now we will read this number. 5 crore 43 lakhs 12,675 and this number is 4 crore 79 lakhs 82,134. So students, 5 crore is bigger or 4 crore? Yes, good. 5 crore is bigger. So we will open this sign over here. Okay. So how we will read this? 5 crore 43 lakhs 12,675 is bigger than. ये साइन किसकी है? Bigger than. Is bigger than 4 crores 79 lakhs 82,134. Understood students? Let's take one more. See, 29876342 and another number is 2978 5, 3, 4, 2. Okay students, first of all we will make groups, that is ones, tens and hundreds. So I will put here 1 comma. Okay, then another group of thousands and 10,000s. So 1 comma over here. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. So 1 comma over here. Okay, same way ones, tens and hundreds. So 1 comma here. Thousands and 10,000s. So 1 comma over here. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. So 1 comma over here. Okay. So students, now we will read this number 2 crores 98 lakhs 76,342. Another number is 2 crores 97 lakhs 85,342. Now students, both these numbers begins with 2 crore. Okay, ये भी 2 crore से start हो रहा है, ये भी 2 crore से. Now we will move to 10 lakhs. तो यहाँ पर 10 lakhs में भी 9 है, यहाँ पर भी 9 है. So lakhs, here it is 8, here it is 7. तो 8 बड़ा होता है कि 7 बड़ा होता है? Yes, 8. So this number is bigger, so we will open its mouth like this. And how we will read it? 2 crores 98 lakhs 76,342 is bigger than 2 crore 97 lakhs 85,342. Understood all of you? So students, we have discussed A, B, C. D you have to try by your own. Understood? Now moving to next question, that is question number 2. Okay. So students, our question number 2 is arrange the following numbers. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, students, do you all know what is an ascending order? Yes, to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest, यानी कि छोटे से लेके बड़े तक हमको नंबर्स को अरेंज करना होता है. In ascending order, we have to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Okay. So students, are you all ready? Okay. A का क्वेश्चन हम लिख लेते हैं पहले. Okay. First number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. 7 times 9. Okay. Okay, next number is 3, 9, 9, 879. 879. Next is 8, 9, 4, 9, 3, 8, 9. 9, 3, 8, 9. Next is 8, 4, 2, 3, 1, 0, 5. Students, first we will insert commas, so we can come to know that which number is bigger and which is the smallest. Okay, so this is ones, tens and hundreds. तो यहाँ पर एक कॉमा आ जाएगा thousands and 10,000s. एक कॉमा इधर lakhs and 10 lakhs. So students, the number is 99 lakhs 99,999. Okay. Next, वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स, तो यहाँ पर एक कॉमा आ जाएगा। थाउजेंड्स एंड 10,000, तो यहाँ पर एक कॉमा आ जाएगा। ओके, सो दिस नंबर इज 3,99,879. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स, तो यहाँ पर हम कॉमा लगा सकेंगे। थाउजेंड्स एंड 10,000, दिस इज lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so number is 89,49,389. Understood? Ones, tens, hundreds. So one comma over here, thousands, 10,000s. One comma here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Students, mostly the numbers are in 7 digits, but this number is of 6 digits. So this number will come first. Okay, ये सब 10 lakhs वाले नंबर है और ये सिर्फ lakh वाला नंबर है. So this is the smallest number. तो हम smallest number से अरेंज करना. तो this is the smallest number. So we will write like this: 3,99,879. Okay. Now students, these all three numbers are of 10 lakhs. Okay. So we will check the place value of 10 lakhs. This is 9, this is 8 and this is 4. Now students, 8 दो 8 वाली है और एक 9 वाली है. So obviously 8 is smaller than 9. Okay. अभी 9 को हम ये वाला नंबर को skip out करते हैं. Now we will work on these two numbers. Now here there is 8 at 10 lakhs. Here also 8. Now we will check lakh. So which digit is there at lakhs place? 9. And here 4. So students, it is but obvious that 4 is smaller than 9. So this number will come first. So our next number is 84,23,105. Understood? Next number will come 89,49,389. And which number will come last? 99,99,999. Understood? Okay. नंबर बी आया समझ में कैसे अरेंज करना है? ओके. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, I am writing the questions. Then we will insert the commas and read the numbers, and then we will arrange. Okay. So students, next number is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Next is 4, 6, 5, 7, 8, 1. And last is 6, 5, 4, 3, 7, 8, 1. Okay. So students, first of all we will insert the commas. So ones, tens and hundreds. So 1 comma here. Thousands and 10,000. So 1 comma here. So the number formed is 3,45,678. Again, now we will count ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma here, thousands and 10,000. So 1 comma here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So students, this number is 34,56,781. Understood? Now here ones, tens, hundreds. So we will insert 1 comma here, thousands and 10,000s. 1 comma here and 4. So students, the number formed is 4,65,781. Okay, last ones, tens, hundreds. So again here we will put 1 comma. Okay, then thousands and 10,000s. 1 comma over here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So students, here two numbers are of 10 lakhs and two numbers of lakhs. Okay, now we will start arranging. In ascending order, we have to arrange from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, so how we will arrange? तो यहाँ पर लैक्स वाले भी नंबर है और 10 लैक्स वाले. तो लैक्स वाले नंबर छोटे होते हैं. सो इनमें से लैक्स वाले नंबर कौन कौन से हैं? You will tell me. Yes, good. 3,45,678. And another number is 4,65,781. So students, 3 lakh is smaller or 4 lakhs is smaller? Yes, very good. 3 lakhs वाला नंबर छोटा होता है. तो हम पहले कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे? 3,45,678. ओके, और फिर हम कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे? 4,65,781. अब कौन से दो नंबर बचे? 34 lakhs 56,781 and 65 lakhs 43,781. So students, 34 lakhs छोटा है कि 65 lakhs छोटा है? Yes, very good. 34 lakhs छोटा है, तो that number we will write first and at last the number which is of 65 lakhs. So which number we will write first? 34 lakhs 56,781 and at last 65 lakhs 43,781. Understood how to arrange in ascending order? Students, I have discussed A and B. You have to try number C and D. ओके, सी और डी आपको खुद से ट्राई करना है. Students, now moving to next question, that is question number 3. Arrange the following numbers. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So students, in this question we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So what is descending order? Yes, in descending order we will arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, यानी कि बड़ा नंबर से छोटा नंबर को अरेंज करना है. Okay, so students, now we will write with A 689 475. Okay, next number is 6589 475. Next number is 98475 and last number is 95475. Okay, so first of all we will insert the commas. Okay, now ones, tens and hundreds. So here we will put 1 comma, then thousands, 10,000s. So 1 comma over here. Okay, now we will insert commas in this number. ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands, 10,000s. 1 comma over here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1 comma over here, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands and 10,000s. So students, two numbers are of 10,000s, one number is of lakh and one number is of 10 lakhs. More the digits, the number will be greater. Okay, जितने ज़्यादा digits वो number उतना ही बड़ा होता है. Now students, we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So we will take the biggest number first. So students, which number is the biggest of lakhs, 10 lakhs or 10,000s? Yes, good. सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 10 लाख वाला. तो अब हम लिखेंगे उसका आंसर. तो सबसे बड़ा नंबर 10 lakhs वाला है, वो है 65,89,475. Understood? Now we have write this number. Now 1, 2 and 3. These three numbers are remaining. Now in these three numbers, one is of lakhs and the remaining two are of 10,000s. तो students, lakh वाला number बड़ा होता है. So we will write that number first. So that number is 6,89,475. Understood? Now these two numbers are remaining. That is 98,475 and other number is 95,475. So students, which is the biggest number in these two? See, here it is 9, here it is 9, here it is 8, here it is 5. So which number is bigger, 8 or 5? Yes, 8 is bigger. So we will write this number first, that is 98,475 and last one is 95,475. Understood? Number B. First one is 4, 7, 3, 9, 5, 4, 3. 7, 3, 9, 3, 4, 5. Next one is 3, 9, 4, 3, 4, 5. Last number is 3, 0, 4, 9, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So students, now we will insert the commas. Okay. So this one is ones, tens and hundreds. So here we will put 1 comma, thousands, 10,000s. 1 comma over here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. So students, this number is 47,39,543. Okay, next. Now ones, tens, hundreds. तो यहाँ पर एक कॉमा लगाएंगे. This is thousands and 10,000s. So 1 comma over here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So students, this number is 73,93,345. Understood? Now we will take this number and insert commas. Ones, tens and hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands, 10,000s. So 1 comma over here. So which number is this? 3,94,345. Okay. Now last one group of ones, tens, hundreds. So we will put here 1 comma, thousands, 10,000s. 1 comma over here, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So which number is this? 30 lakhs, 49,345. So students, now we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. And descending order means from greatest to the smallest. So students, here 1, 2 and 3. These three numbers are of 10 lakhs. And this one is of only lakhs. So 10 lakhs is bigger or lakhs is bigger? Yes, 10 lakhs. Now here it is 47 lakhs, then 73 lakhs and 30 lakhs. So which is the biggest? Yes, 73 lakhs. So we will write this number first. That is 73 lakhs 93,345. Okay. Now 47 is bigger or 30 is bigger? Yes, 47. So our next number is 47 lakh 39,543. Okay. Now 30 lakhs. So we will write this number 30 lakhs 49,345. Okay. And which number is left now? Yes, 3,94,345. Understood all of you? Okay. One more, number C. First of all, we will write the question. 443652 734625 5634475 and last is 5634457. Understood? Now first of all we will insert commas like ones, tens and hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands and 10,000s. 1 comma over here. Okay. Next number ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands, 10,000s. 1 comma over here. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands and 10,000s. 1 comma over here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands, 10,000s. 1 comma over here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now students, we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. And descending order means from greatest to the smallest. So students, here 2 numbers are of lakhs and 2 are 10 lakhs. Okay, ये 2 numbers है वो lakh वाले हैं और ये 10 lakhs वाले हैं. Okay. So students, see, here it is 5, here it is 5. Okay. दोनों में 10 lakhs की प्लेस पर क्या है? 5. अब हम lakh वाली प्लेस चेक करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर दोनों में क्या है? 6, 6. Now we will check 10,000. यहाँ पर भी 3 है, यहाँ पर भी 3 है. ओके, दोनों में सेम जा रहा है अभी तक. अब 1000 वाली देखेंगे. यहाँ पर भी 4, यहाँ पर भी 4. 10 lakhs, 10,000, thousands, चारों की प्लेस अभी सेम है. Now we will move to hundreds. Here it is 4, here it is 4. हंड्रेड्स की प्लेस भी सेम है. अब हम टेंस की चेक करेंगे. यहाँ पर 7 है और यहाँ पर 5. तो इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 7. कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 7. तो ये वाला नंबर हम पहले लिखेंगे. ओके. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 56 lakhs 34,475. Okay. Next number is 56 lakh 34,457. Okay. Now these two numbers are remaining. This is 7 lakhs, this is 4 lakhs. So which is the bigger? 7 lakhs. So next number is 7 lakh 34,625. And this number is remaining, that is 4 lakh 43,652. Students, we have discussed A, B, C. Number D and number E is your homework. Okay? Number D and number E is your homework. Okay? Now moving to next question. That is question number 4. Form the greatest and smallest 7-digit numbers using the digits. Okay. हमें यहाँ पर ए और बी में कुछ डिजिट्स दिए हैं और उसकी हेल्प से हमें ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन नंबर ए द डिजिट्स आर 1, 4, 8, 7, 2, 3, 0. Okay. Now first of all we will form smallest 7-digit number. ओके. स्मॉलेस्ट 7-digit नंबर. अब स्टूडेंट्स हमें नंबर फॉर्म्स करने हैं स्मॉलेस्ट एंड ग्रेटेस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द डिजिट्स. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? इन स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर वी विल अरेंज द डिजिट्स इन ascending order and in greatest we will arrange the numbers in descending order. ओके. अब हम यहाँ पर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म करने वाले हैं, तो वहां पर हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ये डिजिट्स को अरेंज करेंगे. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट ओवर हियर? 0. स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर नेवर बिगिंस विथ 0. तो 0 हम पहले नहीं लिखेंगे. अब 0 के बाद सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 1. So students, first of all we will write 1 and then 0. Why we are not writing 0 first? Because a number never begins with 0. तो 0 के बाद कौन आएगा? 1. तो पहले हम 1 लिखेंगे और फिर 0. Okay? Okay. Then which number will come? 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 7 and then 8. Students, now we will insert commas. Ones, tens, hundreds. So here we will put 1 comma. Thousands, 10,000. So here we will 1 comma. And lakhs and 10 lakhs. So students, which number is this? 10 lakhs 23,478. Now we will form greatest 7-digit number. Okay, now if we want to form the greatest number, in which order we will arrange the digits? Descending order, and descending order means from greatest to smallest. So which is the greatest number? 8, then 7, then 4, then 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now we will insert commas, ones, tens, hundreds. So 1 comma over here, thousands, 10,000s. 1 comma over here, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So students, ये नंबर कौन सा बन गया? 87 lakhs, 43,210. Understood? Students, I have discussed A with you. B is your homework. Okay?
Students, I hope you all of you enjoyed this lecture and you have understood what is ascending order, descending order, how to form numbers and how to compare the numbers. Students, if you have any doubt or query, you can drop your query in our school application, or you can also contact me on my number. We will meet soon. Till that, goodbye and take care.